およそ同じ内容が書かれていますので、押してください。Yeah, really.
グアムとマーシャルとパラオ。
沖縄もとてもよくわかる。
沖縄、I believe Okinawa is also
the same situation, and yeah, we also the occupied, and merchants are oppressed by the United States and also the Japanese government. And so we can share lots of information, and we can struggle with each other. これは沖縄県が
This is a map made by Okinawan Prefectural Government.
沖縄島ですね。沖縄島で色がついているところはすべて米軍に提供されています。
The colored part, the red and blue part, they are all taken by US forces.